guys, I'm so excited to film this video today. It's been a little bit of a kept secret and I can finally shout it from the rooftops. Stella Dot just recently launched this brand new program, this brand new loyalty program called Style Club. So if you are somebody that shops frequently with Stella Dot, this is gonna sing to your heart. It is a loyalty club, so it's basically paying you back for being so loyal and such a good customer. It is a $29 membership for the entire year, and with that $29 you have amazing perks. So starting with free shipping on all orders over $100, yay! Which I know is so big. Stella Dot's shipping has always been a flat rate of $5.95, whether you order a little bitty pair of sparkle studs or 10 of our weekender bags. It doesn't matter, it's always $5.95 and that will stay $5.95. However, if you are a Style Club member now and you order over $100, your shipping is completely waived. So I know that's huge, especially for me as a shopper. There's always so much incentive for me. I don't know why that $5.95 is not a lot for shipping, but there's just some kind of enticing piece of when you see free shipping, you just want to get that free shipping. That's number one. Also, any purchase that you make as a Style Club member, they're giving you back 10% in product credit. So if you purchase something, a $200 order say, you're gonna get $20 to use in the next 60 days on any other order that you use. So it's almost like a reward. So no matter how much you spend, you're gonna get that money back as in product credits to just shop again and shop when the new collections launch or the new style drops launch, which is really, really exciting. We're also going to get a lot of sneak peek and sales for Style Club members only, so it's a nice little VIP perk. And then probably the most exciting thing is if you sign up as a Style Club member and you spend at least $50 upon signing up, not counting the $29 membership, it's completely separate. But if your first order as a Style Club member is at least $50, you get to choose a gift for free. I'm going to post all of the gifts right here so you can see all of your options. There's something for everyone, whether it's a necklace, pair of earrings, or a clutch. The choice is yours. There's so much incentive, and I'm honestly so surprised that the cost of the year-long membership is only $29. I really expected it to be a lot more than that, just based on the quality of our items and the fact that they're giving you a $59 item for free anyway. It's kind of a no-brainer. I just wanted to let you guys know that. I know a lot of you watch my videos for specifically Stella Dot, so I just felt like I had to share this. And also they just started Dot Dollars, which is so exciting. It's like the best time of year. It's like Christmas time. They only run this promotion twice a year. It's usually around now in the summer. It's like beginning of summer, and then again at the end of the year toward the holidays. So it's a really great time to take advantage. If you aren't familiar with Dot Dollars, it kind of works the same as Gap or Old Navy Fast Cash. That's how I always compare it. Every $50 that you spend, you get $25 back in Dot Dollars to use and redeem period starts. So I'll have all the information and details in the description box below, but essentially the more you spend, the more you get back to later spend again. And that all works with Style Club. Let me just break this down for you. Say that today you decide to sign up as a Style Club member, which unlocks your membership for the whole year, and your first order as a Style Club member totals $100. You're gonna get free shipping on that order. You're gonna get $50 in Dot Dollars. You're gonna get $10 to use on your next order, and you're gonna get that free gift of choice. Did I get everything? Free shipping, Dot Dollars, product credit back, free gift. Yeah, you're gonna get all that with a $100 order. If you decide to do a $50 order, you'll still get your free gift. You're still gonna get a $25 Dot Dollar voucher, and you're also gonna get that $5 to use again on your next order. If you go to spend at least $50, you're gonna get a lot of rewards, and then they just become unlimited. Your product credit's unlimited, free shipping after 100, your free gift, your Dot Dollars is unlimited. There's just a lot. So I wanted to make this video because I don't want anyone to be confused by it. It's actually really simple. Also wanted to share with you some of my current favorites, some of the everyday pieces that I've been wearing. You've probably seen me wearing on social media. Number one is my Celestial Choker. This is $39. It comes in silver and gold. I mainly wear the gold one, and this is my most worn, most sold piece. I literally sell a Celestial Choker every single day. It's so popular. It comes in really, really cute packaging, and I honestly don't ever take it off. It layers really well with everything. It looks good with any neckline because it rests right on your neck, and I love the celestial choker. You guys know, if you follow me on social media, I always have this on. These earrings, these are gonna be available to ship next week. They've been back ordered. They also come in red, but these are amazing for summer. They go with everything. I love them with this top especially, but they're just a really good lightweight tassel chandelier earring. The other pair of earrings I wanted to mention are our arabesque earrings, and these are in rose gold, but they also come in silver and also gold. I have all three colorways, but these are a really good everyday earring when you just don't know what you want to wear, you don't know what's gonna match. These go with everything. This top, I love this top. It's so cute for spring and summer. It's a one shoulder off the shoulder top. I'm wearing it with some white jeans today. Other two tops that I really love, the Willow. I actually have this on in my last video. It's a cutout top. It's really stretchy and soft like a tissue tee. And then our Olivia top in blush with the really pretty lace detail on the sleeves. Our Switcheroo bag. This has been my go-to bag for my everyday tote, and also what I carry my kids' stuff in when I don't want to lug around a big diaper bag and I'm just going like over to my mom's house or something and I don't need to be carrying a big diaper bag. She has a lot of the stuff that I need. Like, she keeps diapers at her house, she has extra changes of clothes, she has toys. So when I'm just going there or my mother-in-law's house, I just bring this bag with me, or a quick run to the grocery store with Bentley. And I love this bag, especially for summer. It's metallic on one side and a bright shiny gold on the other, and it looks good with every outfit I've worn. Our little floral poof. I love this. I love the pattern on it, and in here I just keep like gift cards, and I just have random things. I keep like my gift cards in here for stores, and I have a nail file, a pen, some hand lotion. I also have one of these that I keep all my lip products, and this is like really soft and squishy and malleable. It doesn't take up room, or it's not a lot of weight. Arm candy. These are the bracelets you probably see me wearing the most. This is the Nicollet stretch bracelet in gold. These are the Nomad stretch bracelets. They actually come in a set of 3, but I'm only wearing 2 today. They look amazing with the Nicollet. And then the Onda stretch bracelet is that white and vintage gold. The Onda also comes in blush. The Nicollet also comes in silver. And then our engravable bangles, I have a gold one. It has all 3 of the kids' names on it, separated by a bar. And then our Gia coil. I love this one too. It's like white, mother of pearl, and gold, and it's on one coil wrap bracelet like a slinky. It just wraps around your wrist. These Georgia hoops I've been wearing a ton. They're a vintage gold, and they're forward-facing hoops. So they're kind of like a stud, but they're forward-facing, so there's not any movement. They just hang out there, and I really, really love those. And then if you want like a more subdued little everyday earring, these were in partnership with Rebecca Minkoff. These are little Mica earrings. They're little gold studs with a little bit of movement on the bottom. So I love these as an everyday if I'm not wearing my sparkle stud earrings. 2 long layered necklaces that I've been wearing a ton. This one is the Grandi layered necklace, and I love the colors in this one, and it's also a versatile piece. So there's a lot of different layers. The first one is coral and turquoise with white. This one is a really pretty white enamel with a little turquoise pop, and then there's 2 long chains that hang down with little tassels that you can actually tie and wear as a lariat. You can do each of these pieces separately. I actually have been wearing the white enamel double horn separately. You can wear it all together. It looks really good. A similar style to that one. This is our Des. So it's kind of like an old vintage coin necklace, and it also can be broken apart in layers. So lately I've been actually taking the longest piece and I detach it, and I've just been wearing this tinier little dainty chain and then this coin. And I've been wearing this actually with my celestial choker, and I've been always getting a lot of compliments on it and questions about it. It's just like a little Y-shaped little like lariat necklace. So those are kind of like what I'm crushing on lately as far as Stella Dot goes. I just wanted to give you some ideas if you want to take advantage of Dot dollars, if you want to take advantage of Style Club. You do not need to be a Style Club member to earn dot dollars. It's the best time of year. There's an amazing collection out right now to take advantage. I know you guys aren't gonna have a hard time picking out stuff, but if you have any other questions about Style Club, about Stella Dot, about dot dollars, I'll leave my email in the description box below. I hope you guys are as excited about this as I am. I wish that they had this before I became a stylist because I spent so much money at Stella Dot, and that's why I decided to be a stylist. But if they had something like this where it was actually like you were actually getting something back for all the money that you were spending, oh man, I probably would have been more dangerous actually. And the free gift is kind of amazing. So I'm just really excited. I wanted to make this video to share it with you. I hope you are as excited. If you have any other questions, leave them in the description box below. Thank you for watching this video, and I will talk to you later. Bye!